Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to Getting Sexy Back. If you're new here, you're in for a treat because today we're diving into something that's going to revolutionize your morning's healthy breakfast ideas that are not only delicious but will kickstart your day with a bang. Trust me, whether you're a breakfast lover or someone who usually skips it, you're going to want to stick around for this. Get ready to transform your mornings and set yourself up for success. In today's episode, we're diving into a world of delicious and nutritious breakfast options that will kickstart your day and keep you energized. We'll explore a variety of healthy choices, from classic oatmeal with exciting twists to protein-packed egg recipes. You'll learn about refreshing smoothies, customizable breakfast bowls, and comforting quick breads. We'll also cover how to make pancakes and waffles part of a balanced breakfast, spice up your mornings with breakfast tacos and burritos, and even indulge in healthy breakfast cookies. Get ready to transform your morning routine with these mouth-watering and good-for-you breakfast ideas. Let's talk about oats, a true breakfast powerhouse. Packed with fiber, they're not just healthy but incredibly versatile. Now, I know what you're thinking, oats can get boring. Trust me, I've been there. Back in college, I ate plain instant oatmeal every single day for 4 years. By the end, I couldn't even look at the stuff. But here's the secret to keeping oats exciting: mix it up. The possibilities are endless. Try topping your oats with nut butter, fresh berries, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Dried fruits, yogurt, and a handful of nuts can add great texture and flavor. And don't forget about savory oats, they're a game changer. To avoid oat burnout, try different preparation methods. Overnight oats are perfect for busy mornings. Baked oatmeal is a cozy weekend treat. And homemade granola. It's like a crunchy, delicious oat party in your mouth. Remember, variety is key. By changing up your toppings and preparation methods, you'll never get tired of this nutritious breakfast option. So go ahead, get creative with your oats. For meal prep enthusiasts, egg bites are a game changer. Make a batch on Sunday, and you'll have grab-and-go breakfasts all week. They're customizable too. Add spinach, bell peppers, or even some crispy bacon if you're feeling indulgent. Remember, eggs aren't just for breakfast either. A veggie-packed frittata makes for a fantastic lunch or dinner option too. The possibilities are endless. Now, let's talk about one of my favorite healthy breakfast options, smoothies. These delicious drinks are not only quick and easy to make, but they're also a fantastic way to pack a ton of nutrients into your morning meal. One of the best things about smoothies is how versatile they are. You can throw in all sorts of fruits and vegetables to create a nutrient-dense breakfast that tastes amazing. Here's a little trick I've learned over the years: add a handful of spinach to your fruit smoothie. Trust me, you won't even taste it, but you'll be getting all those extra vitamins and minerals. Want to take your smoothie game to the next level? Try adding some superfoods. A scoop of hemp seeds, a dollop of nut butter, or even a teaspoon of matcha powder can give your smoothie an extra healthy boost. Now, I know mornings can be hectic, so here's my favorite smoothie meal prep tip: make your smoothie the night before and store it in the fridge. In the morning, just give it a quick shake and you're good to go. Or, if you're feeling extra organized, try prepping individual smoothie packs. Just portion out your ingredients into containers and freeze them. In the morning, blend a frozen pack with your liquid of choice, and voila, breakfast is served. Now, let's talk about breakfast bowls, a fantastic way to start your day with endless possibilities. If you're looking to shake up your morning routine, these versatile creations are perfect for you. Breakfast bowls can be savory or sweet, depending on your mood and preferences. For a savory option, try topping a base of rice or farro with a soft-boiled egg, some roasted vegetables like Brussels sprouts or butternut squash, and a drizzle of flavorful sauce such as pesto or tzatziki. It's a delicious way to use up leftover veggies and get a good dose of protein and fiber. If you have a sweet tooth in the morning, don't worry. You can make a delightful sweet breakfast bowl too. One of my favorites is chia pudding topped with fresh berries and a sprinkle of granola. Or, try cooking some quinoa and topping it with almond milk, a dash of cinnamon, and sliced banana or apple. The best part about breakfast bowls is that you can get creative and make them your own. Mix and match different grains, proteins, fruits, vegetables, and toppings to find your perfect combination. Don't be afraid to experiment, you might discover your new favorite breakfast. Now, let's talk about a delicious breakfast option that's often overlooked: quick breads. These moist, comforting treats are perfect for those mornings when you want something a little indulgent but still nutritious. My personal favorites are zucchini bread, pumpkin bread, and the classic banana bread. The great thing about quick breads is that you can make them ahead of time and enjoy them throughout the week. I love to slice up a loaf and freeze individual portions. In the morning, just pop a slice in the toaster, and voila! Instant breakfast. To make your quick bread even more nutritious, try adding some Greek yogurt on top. It adds a protein boost and a creamy texture that pairs perfectly with the bread. You can also top it with some fresh seasonal fruit for extra vitamins and fiber. Remember, homemade quick breads are often healthier than store-bought versions because you control the ingredients. Try using whole wheat flour or adding nuts and seeds for extra nutrition. It's a delicious way to start your day. Let's talk about pancakes and waffles, those weekend breakfast favorites that can actually become quick and easy weekday meals too. Here's my secret: make a big batch on the weekend and freeze the extras. It's so simple. Once they've cooled, just place them in a single layer on a baking sheet and pop them in the freezer. After they're frozen solid, transfer them to a freezer bag. On busy mornings, take out what you need and reheat them in the toaster or microwave. In just a minute or two, you'll have warm, delicious pancakes or waffles ready to go. Add some fresh fruit and a drizzle of maple syrup, and you've got a homemade breakfast that beats any drive-thru option. Trust me, your future self will thank you for this time-saving hack. Now, let's talk about one of my absolute favorite breakfast options: breakfast tacos and burritos. After living in Austin for years, I became obsessed with these delicious and versatile morning meals. My go-to breakfast taco is simple but oh so satisfying. I scramble eggs with spinach, then top them with creamy avocado, zesty pico de gallo, and a dash of hot sauce. But don't feel limited by my preferences, the possibilities are endless. Try roasting some sweet potatoes or adding vegan shiitake bacon for extra flavor and texture. Experiment with different salsas or even add some black beans for a protein boost. The key is to make it your own and have fun with it. Now, for those busy mornings when you're rushing out the door, breakfast burritos are a lifesaver. Here's a great meal prep tip: make a batch on the weekend and freeze them. Then, during the week, you can quickly thaw one for a delicious and satisfying breakfast on the go. Just wrap them individually in foil before freezing, and reheat in the microwave or oven when you're ready to eat. Now, let's talk about a breakfast option that might sound too good to be true: healthy breakfast cookies. Yes, you've heard that right. These aren't your typical sugary treats, but rather a nutritious and delicious way to start your day. Packed with ingredients like flax, oats, nuts, seeds, and even quinoa, these cookies are loaded with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. They're perfect for those busy mornings when you need to grab something quick. The best part? You can make a batch on the weekend and freeze them. When you're ready to eat, just pop one in the microwave for about 10 seconds, and you've got a warm, satisfying breakfast to enjoy on your way out the door. It's a tasty way to fuel your body and start your day right. Wow, we've covered so many delicious and healthy breakfast ideas today. From nutrient-packed oats and protein-rich egg dishes to refreshing smoothies and creative breakfast bowls, there's something for everyone. Don't forget about those quick breads, pancakes, waffles, tacos, burritos, and even cookies that can make your mornings both tasty and nutritious. I encourage you to try at least one of these ideas this week. Your body will thank you. For more detailed recipes and tips, check out the video description below. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and leave a comment. Your support helps our community grow and stay motivated on our journey to getting sexy back. Before you go, I've got something exciting coming up in our next episode. We'll be diving into the world of quick and effective home workouts that will leave you feeling energized and confident. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more ways to get your sexy back. See you next time.